Jamushi Travels is back, and today we'll share to you our Disneyland Hong Kong hotel experience. Welcome to Disneyland! Yay! Saan tayo? Checking in, no?
Yeah.
Alright. Ala, labo ng salamin ng camera. Thank you. Yeah, that's yeah.
1, 2, 3, 1 more. 1, 2, and 3.
Thank you. Bye, Mickey.
Bye-bye.
I'm so tired. So, where are we going and where are we at?
At Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. I'm so excited to explore.
Okay, so what floor are we in?
6th floor. 6064.
Sabi daw.
Yeah. Wow. 6064 here. Ang maganda yung view. Ayan, dito na tayo.
Yay!
Hi! Welcome to Hong Kong Disneyland, room 6064. So now we are on the standard room, but they upgraded the floor. And now we have the tour of the bathroom. And
wow!
Ganda, may bathtub din pala, kala ko wala. And syempre walang bidet. Yan.
Pero may baso.
Pero maganda, kala ko wala na to. Yan.
Yay!
So yung mga kukupitin natin. And ayan, ano na siya. Siguro ito yung hindi na single use. Yan. Pero yung toothbrush and everything meron. So tingnan natin itong closet.
Yay! Yay! Disney Shippers!
Yan, may laundry bag din naman. Okay, tapos marami namang tubig kung kailangan. Pero potable naman yung tubig. Yan, may
Disney.
mga lang. Hindi TWG. So, meron silang snack package pero order. Okay na rin para hindi hassle. Tapos, ayan, nandito na yung bag natin. May drawers din naman. Tapos, nag-order tayo ng Frozen!
Let it go! Ay, mali. Let it go!
So, ito yung ano nila. Parang libre na.
Wow, cake mo.
Cake na? Ewan ko, pwede bang kunin? Pwede
Baka,
naman siguro.
Oo, toy towel ka. O, i-recycle natin. Oh, happy birthday.
Ganda, oh.
Wow.
May lalagyan din ng popcorn.
Oh,
Tsaka
ayusin
yung
mo.
head.
Picture natin. Okay. May damit pa siya. Alright, anong view naman natin?
Tapos, tingnan natin yung view. Wow! Ang ganda ng view.
Wow!
Maganda. Maganda yung binigay na room.
Thank you, Disney.
Although wala tayong balcony. Mas mahal yung may balcony.
Pero okay na may view.
At least may view.
Yes. So, kamusta ang birthday, boy?
Happy
Birthday! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Wow, gusto mo mag-gym kasama ang Disney?
Ganda. Oh, may ano din sila. Off-blower siya.
Wow!
Ito yung gym, oh.
Yung mga gusto natin, yung mga
indoor pool. Tingnan natin.
nag-gym. Pwede din, no? Gusto mo dyan mag-last day? Oh, nag-trick or treat sila. Saka gumawa ng ano. Kanina yung 2 o'clock ba? 3?
Yung ano.
Trick or treat. Hanggang ng oras?
Doon yata sila. Pero tingnan muna natin. Ikot tayo.
Wow.
Hanggang gabi naman pala eh.
Saan ang gagawin natin kung
Kaya
hanggang gabi na yan?
mag-activity.
Alright, tara.
Saan kukunin yung activity?
Parang sa lobby yata yun eh. Ito yung ano
Mini golf.
mini golf.
Ano yung nakasunod? Buti.
Gym counter for reservation.
7 ka.
Parang sa gym counter yata yung mga activity. Gusto mo pumunta?
Tingnan natin.
Wow.
Ayan yung may
Oo.
may libreng pin ba yan?
Yata, oo. Tara. Punta na tayo dun sa gym para ma-confirm natin yung mga kasama, no? Right.
4:38.
So we have this activity sheets. Alright. So nice na. So we'll be playing games para makakuha kami ng mga libre. Oh my gosh. So help us to find the hidden Mickeys. Okay, so for this activity, so kailangan namin pumunta sa maze and we'll look for them. Alright, let's do this! Yun lang yung maze, oh. Baka makikopya na lang kami dun sa mga... Uy! You'll never know. Baka mahirap pala, oh. Wait lang. Okay.
Ang ganda.
Oo. Ito pala yung itsura niya dito. Ito din pala, explore natin to, oh. Kasi baka pwede tayong sumakay dyan papunta sa, ano, city. Oh, look at this, oh. Kanto. Diba? Saan ang kailangan natin? Dyan. Ayan, sino yan? Paano pumasok dyan? Oo nga na.
May daya.
Hey! Hi! Tama ba to?
Si Daisy Duck and Donald Duck.
Ito.
Daisy Duck and Donald Duck.
Donald Duck.
And Daisy
Kitty.
Duck.
Look at us. Hehehe. So happy. Yan. I'm just saving the memories. Okay. Napang meron.
Hindi ka harap na?
Hindi ko na nga na-video eh. Ikaw na lang.
Oh, hyperlapse.
Minnie Mouse. Spider. Saan na yan? Ito yun ah. Spider.
So yung una si ano, yung una si Mickey Mouse nga, tas party.
Tapos?
Ito, dito.
Sure ka?
Hindi.
Dito ikat nun. Joey. We did it! Yeah! So, doon naman tayo sa finding the hidden Mickey. Yan ang ating next activity. So, let's go! Yan. Okay. Uy, may mga off-lotion talaga, no? Alright, so, hotel lobby. Ito, nakita ko na ito yung una. Yan, so how many na ang kulang natin? So, 6, 7, 8. Tatlo na lang.
Ito, yung isa elevator.
Alright, sige. Yan na ba yun? Last stop na tayo, no? Enchanted Garden. Parang alam ko sa baba yun, eh. At least ma-explore natin. Wow, diba? Wow. Love ya! Dito tayo mag-breakfast bukas. So, at least ma-explore na natin. Alright. Makisunod na rin tayo sa mga pamilyang naghahanap ng hidden Mickey. Dito lang yan, sa mga painting. We did it! Yeah! Right, so we did it. We completed the challenge. So, 2 challenge. Yung maze at saka find the hidden Mickey. Tapos sana may time pa kami kasi may isa pang challenge. Yung sa self-wandering tour, mas maganda yung premyo. So yun, ang saya. So punta na kayo dito with your kids. So tingnan natin ano yung mga premyo makukuha namin. Ibebenta namin ito sa Jamushi Sari Sari Store. Bye-bye! Did it! Yay! Did we?
Yeah, correct.
4. Yeah. 5.
There.
Yeah.
Okay, so here in the Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel, there are activities. You find the hidden Mickey and the Mickey Maze of Halloween Mysteries, and you get freebies when completing them. Yan.
So yan, sa bukas or sa isang araw, yung isang challenge naman. Self-wandering tour.
Self-wandering. I think pin lang din siya, hindi
yung malaki.
Tinuro ba niya?
Ay, sa bagay, no, baka yung pin lang pala, no? But anyway, hope we win. Bye-bye! Okay, so now we're going to the swimming pool. Swimming pool! Okay, tignan natin ang magagawa natin dito.
Walang dyan. Okay na. It was a good experience.
Si Wawoy pa ganun. Ayan na. Nag-open na yung mga ilaw na nila. Balik lang sa room and then we'll get ready for dinner. Alright, saan tayo punta ngayon sa third? Okay. Ano meron sa picnic? Alright, let's see daw. Ano meron sa picnic?
Turn right.
Okay. So, may Starry Night something. Pero parang kami lang yata ang nag-avail ng package na ito. Ganon. Magkano itong package na to? 680 Hong Kong. Oh, ganda oh. Wow. Of course. Doon tayo? Turn right. Oo, may heart pa. Ayun na.
Siguro pag may ending na. Sarap naman yan.
Pag-wedding daw. Charot. May ano
Ay, okay.
Ayan. So, yung picnic dito pala.
Ang ganda.
Oo naman. Ay.
You will see it.
Alright. Yun, may date. Sana wag umulan. Hi!
Yan. Okay.
Water is you can choose.
Okay. I'll have...
Far away, as north as we can go, stood a very old and very enchanted forest. But it's so home to the mysterious Northuldra people.
Were the Northuldra magical, like me?
No, sir. They were not magical. They just took advantage of the forest's gifts. But something went wrong.
By many, but it's true. Did you know men are 6 times more likely to be struck by lightning? Did you know gorillas burp when they're happy? Did you know we blink 4 million times a day? Did you know wombats poop squares?
Did you know sleeping quietly on long journeys prevents insanity?
Yeah, that's not true.
It is.
It's true, definitely true. It's the truth.
Pina.
Meron naglalaro. Sabagay ko nandito ka naman sa Disney. 880 pala yung sa akin. So almost 7K. Ayan, may Pandora. Receive the following discount. Ay, ganda ng makeup. Thank you.
Okay. Ay, 50 off. Tingnan
Hindi
natin.
yata lahat. Hindi kasama to. Pero tanong.
Alright, so what's the damage?
100 plus.
Wow. Okay. So now
Happy
we're
naman
balik na tayo sa room. And then bukas Disney na. Ay. Hello, sunshine. Okay. Ito po ang damage. Ibebenta natin yan. Cheers! So, yan yung charger dito. So, maganda. Pwedeng wireless. So, may ganyan. Tapos, nung binuksan ko to, nagulat ako sa wala! Meron! Yun! Meron pala mga discount coupon dun sa loob. So, yun lang. Tingnan nyo lang din yun. Kasi sayang. Bye! Hi! Good morning, Olaf. Breakfast time.
Yes, for that.
Perfect. Yeah. Oh, laughs. Are you happy? Okay. See what else?
Ano to?
Mga
pancakes
pasta.
pala dito.
Yes. And then there's sige.
Tikman natin.
Kasi may red. Okay, so now, try natin yung breakfast here at Enchanted Garden in Hong Kong Island Hotel. So, marami silang Mickey theme. So, pati itong Hong Kong pop, Hong Kong style, pop.
Oo.
Ang ganda, oh. Tapos cheese flavor yung tinry ko. Kasi yung normal, Tapos may popular na egg tart, pineapple.
Tsaka wife something.
Tapos may, chicken feet, dim sum. Tsaka ang dami pa, hindi pa kompleto to, no?
This is just the best
So,
part.
ito medyo curious ako, hindi ko alam.
Parang hopya yata yan no?
Red bean nga.
Hopya.
Oo, hopya. Tapos pwede mo lagyan ng flavor.
Pambata din itong lasa nitong beef something. Ang harap.
Kaya lang wala silang mga cappuccino extra. Ito, yung milk tea. Yan. Pero may milk tea tsaka regular coffee.
Saan ka kumuha niyan? Doon?
Yan sa gitna. Tapos may rin
mga milk. And yan yung Yakult nila.
Dito. Laki rin.
So far, okay? Round 1?
Round 1. Done.
Bye!
Selfie tayo habang nag-ano.
Ito na, video ka din Hindi man natin.
Hindi ko nakuha. Okay.
Sabi ako sa'yo.
Hindi, sige.
Siguro.
Go.
Ay, plato. Thank you, Toto. Hi, thank you.
Pa-picture din tayo.
Happy birthday. Ito, yes. Ito pa.
Camera.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye,
Thank you.
Bibita photo package. This is it
Thank you.
Malapit kasi niya.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ah, yeah.
Squeeze. Thank you, Vicky. Okay, smile. 1, 2, 3. One more, please. Sorry. Okay, hold on, baby. Alright, okay. Alright.
You want? Okay. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, hold on, baby boy. Ready? Yay! Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
High five.
Okay.
I put over here.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. Happy and ready. Big smile. 1, 2, 3. And one more. Okay, one more here. One more. Okay. So, số lượng phải thầy đó. Okay. One more here. Okay. Thank you. Smile. And one more. Okay, thank you.
So that's the end of our Disneyland Hong Kong hotel experience. Convenience-wise, location-wise, experience-wise, this is highly recommended and a must-try whenever you would like to visit Disneyland, especially if you're a Disneyland lover. So that's it for today's adventure. We'll share our Disneyland experience on the next video. But for now, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe.